Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti, and today my hair is looking kind of weird. I don't know, and I'm like the ponytails either they work for me or they are just. So I hope you don't get distracted by this situation over here. Okay, enough of my babbling. So today we have festive glow skincare tips, and I wanted to give you so many tips. I had all the list of actives, exfoliants, this and that to prepare you into this festive skincare routine. But then I just realized to to prepare you into this festive skincare routine. But then I realized we shouldn't take chance, before festivities or any special occasion, because you know what, there are many times I wanted to look extra special. I wanted my skin to glow extra. So so Tata is playing over there. So what I did, I experimented with new stuff and my skin reacted, and the rest is just you know what follows. I had to like cake my skin with layers of makeup more than I needed to cover up the irritation or breakouts. So my tip would be just one tip: do not experiment much before festivities, especially with actives. See, if your skin is doing okay, let it be fine. And I'm telling you, skincare is a long time investment, so most likely you won't get tremendously good result in 10 days or 15 days. And Navratri, Durga Puja is just knocking at our doors. Diwali is far, but yeah, for Diwali you can prepare, you can like play with actives for a while. But I would tell you, before like 20 days, stop experimenting with new stuff just to avoid the possible or plausible irritation the new skincare might give you. Use things that you're comfortable with. If your skin is doing good, don't be greedy. Just maintain the good state of being. And if you have any issues to target it, like dark spots or extra textures, then you can do something. You can use actives for dark spots, maybe arbutin, azelaic acid or niacinamide. For textures, AHA, BHA. But still know this: AHA, BHA may cause you purging, and azelaic acid, niacinamide may give you reaction. I had this list of things. Okay, to get glow, use this, use face packs. Yeah, you can use face packs. This is just very instant cheer up skincare step, I think. I use avocado face mask. My father went to Darjeeling and he bought lots of avocados, so I am like good spot right now. So I'm using avocado on my face like every day. I eat it too, and my father doesn't know that I'm putting this on my skin. If he comes to know about it, I'm gonna get scolded by him. So I would say don't experiment much before any festivities and or any big occasions, because while researching about this topic, it took me back to my memory lens. I just recall the days I wanted to look extra special. You know what, one time I shaved my face, alright, before meeting on it, but we had this date. So I wanted to look extra good. I shaved my skin, and just in like 30 minutes I put makeup, foundation and all, and I went to meet him. I came back, oh my god, next day my skin was freaking out. So when I shave my skin, I take some time out. Like, I don't use makeup, I don't use much actives when I shave, like at least for 3 or 4 days. I mostly rely on makeup before these festivities, because I know those things, makeup can give instant result. Skincare, it takes time, and you're putting your skin at risk, because no matter how good the formulation is, there always are chances you might irritate your skin. So yeah, just follow the routine that works for you. And if you have any issues to treat it step by step. I have spoken about this here in this video. you might find that to be helpful. And I have made many videos about how to treat dark spots, then dull skin. I'm gonna leave a list in the description box. You might find that to be helpful. So yeah, that's all for now, and wish you all the best and take care. See you very soon, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. Bye bye.